There are dirty business here in Ghana. Most people don't know those business is so profitable. Okay, they look those business down. Anyone don't want to put his or her money in, but those business is very profitable. In today's video, I'm going to review those business, and you can start doing those business, and you will earn a lot of money at the end of the day. Okay, so I don't want to waste much time. Let's go straight to the point. The first business is the first dirty business is car washing. Okay, when I say car washing, I'm referring to washing bay. Okay, so if you open washing bay shop and you take some boys, and then you employ them, and then they start doing the work for you, you are going to earn a lot of money at the end of the day. There are a lot of drivers, they can't get time to wash their car for themselves. Okay, so if you open washing bay, at least a day you can get 2 or 3 cars to wash. Okay, there are a lot of people, they can't wash their cars by itself, and most people also don't can't clean their car engines. Okay, so when you open washing bay, they will bring their cars to you, and when you wash it and wash their engine, and they pay you the money, at the end of the day you are going to get some money from it. Okay, but many people don't know that those washing bay is profitable business. They just want to put their money in, but this business is so profitable. And the next dirty business is chicken waste business. When I say chicken waste business, is when you go to poultry farm, the chicken waste is, so when I say chicken waste, is chicken droppings. Okay, so when you go to where they do chicken farming. Okay, so when you go there, you can tell the farmer that I want the chicken droppings. Okay, mostly a lot of people don't sell it. Okay, this this business is very very profitable. If you take the chicken dropping from the chicken farm, you can sell to those who plant plantains, cassavas, and then maize. They use that chicken droppings to do fertilizer. Okay, so when you get a lot of chicken droppings and you sell it, you are going to earn a lot of money at the end of the day. But many people don't want to do those business because that chicken droppings is smell a lot. Okay, so they don't want to do those business, but those business is very very profitable. If you start doing that business, you are going to earn a lot of money from it. And the next one is second-hand clothing business. Okay, so for second-hand clothing business, when you go to Edum, Ketia, and those big markets, you will see that there are some people, they just do don't call me. Okay, so if you go there, you can go to them and then pick the nice ones. Okay, so when you brought it home, then you wash it and then you iron it. Okay, you can sell it in a high price. So if anyone see this, the person won't know that this is second-hand clothing. Okay, so you can go to Ketia or Edum and then do selection, and then come to wash those clothes and then iron it. Okay, the moment it look attractive and very neat, it will attract people, and they will come, and then you get a lot of money from it. And the next one also is boiled egg business. Many people don't know that Kosiani Meko is very, very profitable business here in Ghana. Kosiani Meko is very, very profitable. As I am talking right now, is the business I am doing right now. Okay, Kosiani Meko is very, very profitable business. Let's say you go to farm and take one crate of egg 40 Ghana cedis. When you buy it 40 Ghana cedis and you boil it and you sell each egg at 3 Ghana cedis, do you know the amount of money you are going to earn a day? Okay, let me calculate it for you. Each, if you buy the one crate 40 Ghana cedis and each is, you sell it each 3 Ghana cedis, 3 times 30. 3 times 30, you are going to earn 90 Ghana cedis. So when you deduct 40 cedis, that you use it to buy the egg from the farm, the 50 cedis will be your profit. Okay, so if every day you are able to sell 2 crates a day, you are going to earn 100 cedis a day. Wow. So 100 cedis times 30, do you know the amount of money you are going to earn from it? For boy egg business, many people don't know that those business is very, very profitable. If you told a person that go and sell egg, the way the person will do his face, okay, as if those business there, I don't want to do it. Okay, that's why the person will told you, but it's very, very profitable. Okay, if every day you earn 100 Ghana cedis times 30, do you know the amount of money you are going to earn at the month, at the end of the month? Okay, so boy egg business also is very, very profitable. If you started doing that business, you are going to earn a lot of money at the end of the day. And the last one is cow skin. Many people call it kahuro, and others also call it wole. Wole business also is very, very profitable, but a lot of people say that wole is stinking. Wole has sense, so I don't want to do that business, but that business is very, very profitable. Okay, wole business, when you go for the wole and you come to roasted, there are lots of people, they like wole, especially those who do chop bars. Even the some of the drinking spots, they do it as chinchinya and then added drink on it. Okay, so you can roasted it and make it neat. Okay, do it neat and then go and then sell to chop bars, drinking spots, and even you can do it at Chinchinga and sell it by yourself. Okay, so these are the some of the dirty business. It will make you get a lot of money, and people don't know that that business is very, very profitable. Okay, so these are the dirty business here in Ghana. You can make a lot of money from it. Okay, so if you are first here, don't forget to click the subscribe button, like this video, and here is Profit in My channel. Thank you for watching it, and I see you in my next video.